Living in Dallas means enjoying plenty of sunshine, warm temperatures, and bright skies, but it also means dealing with sizzling summers, surprising cold snaps, and dry, dusty winds. For many homeowners, outdated or poorly sealed windows make these climate swings even harder to manage. Drafts, hot spots, rising energy bills, and inconsistent indoor comfort are all common signs that it's time for an upgrade. The good news? Modern replacement windows can transform a drafty Dallas home into a comfortable, energy-efficient retreat. Here's how new windows dramatically improve daily comfort and revive the way your home looks and feels. Say goodbye to drafts and uneven temperatures. Older windows often let outdoor air creep inside through gaps, worn weather stripping, or deteriorating frames. In Dallas, this means warm air sneaks in during summer and chilly air enters during those cold winter nights. Replacement windows eliminate these issues by creating an airtight seal with advanced weather stripping closing tightly thanks to improved frame engineering using multi-pane glass that blocks air infiltration, preventing drafts around the entire window, opening rooms that once felt too hot or too cold suddenly become comfortable again. No space heaters or extra fans required. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Modern replacement windows are engineered with insulation as a top priority. Double or triple pane glass paired with gas fills, like argon, significantly reduces heat transfer. This gives Dallas homeowners cooler interiors during hot summer days, warmer rooms during winter cold fronts, more consistent temperatures throughout the home, reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. Your home feels comfortable without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Superior protection against the Dallas sun. The Texas sun is beautiful, but incredibly strong. It can heat your home quickly and fade furniture, flooring, and drapes. Replacement windows with low E coatings offer critical sun protection, reflecting UV rays, reducing glare, blocking heat gain, protecting your interior decor from fading. This means you enjoy bright natural light without suffering from excessive indoor heat. Lower energy bills every month. When your windows prevent drafts and block heat transfer, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. That means lower energy usage and noticeably lower bills. Many Dallas homeowners report savings thanks to high-performance insulated frames, double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, airtight installation techniques. These upgrades help offset the cost of replacement windows while improving long-term comfort. A quieter, more peaceful home. Dallas neighborhoods can be lively. Nearby highways, busy streets, active communities, and outdoor events all contribute to noise. Old single-pane windows do little to block these sounds. Replacement windows offer thicker insulated glass, tighter seals, noise-dampening frame materials. This creates a noticeably quieter indoor environment, perfect for families, remote workers, and homeowners who value peace and privacy. Improved home aesthetics inside and out. Beyond comfort, replacement windows also upgrade your home's style. Fresh, modern frames help your home look brighter and more polished. Dallas homeowners enjoy cleaner lines and updated window styles, enhanced curb appeal, improved natural lighting, a more modern and cohesive interior look. Whether your home has a classic Texas brick exterior or a contemporary design, new windows add beauty and value. A healthier indoor environment. Drafty windows can let humidity, dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants enter your home, common issues in the Dallas area. Replacement windows help by blocking outdoor air infiltration, reducing dust and allergens inside, keeping humidity under control, preventing condensation and mold growth. Cleaner air means a healthier home for your family. Final thoughts. Replacing old, drafty windows is one of the most impactful ways to revive comfort in your Dallas home. Modern windows keep temperatures consistent, block harsh sunlight, reduce noise, lower energy bills, and dramatically improve indoor air quality. With today's advanced window technologies and professional installation, your home can go from drafty to dreamy, providing year-round comfort you'll feel every day.